Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's go, first of all, let's go to the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option which is called the system. Then let's tap on language and region, and here we have to go to system languages. So as you can see, this is the list of all, let's say, currently added languages. So this is the shortcut of the most used of the languages which we are frequently using. So let's start with adding a new one. Just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language and then tap on it to apply it. So let me pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it. We can choose the region just by tapping on it, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English in my case is still a main one. So all we have to do to set our new language as a default one is to tap on it and hold it, and now we have to drag it to the first position. Release the finger and your device will ask you whether you wish to change the language. So just tap on change. And as you can see, now our new language is at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on change, and again we've got English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three-dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now mark the languages which you wish to delete from this shortcut list. Obviously, they will still be available in this long list of languages. And then tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.